Hey everyone, I'm Jeep Momma. Can you hear the cicadas? I'm on the East Coast. Recently I just posted a video, Jeep Momma's top 5 ways to live your best life. It's all about getting rid of the clutter, the people, the things, and the emotions in your life. When I did this, it opened so many doors and so much space so I could live the life I wanted to enjoy. And one of those enjoyments is camping. I love camping. I have learned over time that less is better if you're smart about it. You would be surprised at how you can survive a night of primitive camping with very little. There are checklists all over the internet on what you need to bring for camping, and just because it's on the checklist doesn't mean you need to bring it. What I have found, there can be too much stuff. You don't want to make your trips or adventures a chore. The less you have, the less to set up, the less to clean up, the less to pack up, means more time relaxing and enjoying the moments. And there are 5 moments I love to enjoy when I go camping. Jeep Momma's top 5 must-do moments when camping. Number 1, take in the sunset. Just get your camp chair and chill watching the sunset. Number 2, make a campfire. This is a must anytime you go camping. Camping's just not the same without a campfire. So again, grab your camp chair and just sit and watch the fire dance. Number 3, once the sun sets and the fire dies down, look up at the sky and take in all those stars. It will blow your mind. Out in the middle of nowhere in the dark, all those stars in the sky, it's amazing. Number 4, when you get up in the morning, a breakfast cooked over the fire is a must. Bacon and eggs first thing in the morning, out in the middle of nowhere, is amazing. And number 5, in the morning, before you make your amazing breakfast, open up your tent door and just lay there in your sleeping bag looking out your tent at the amazing beauty around you. Just take it all in. Take some deep breaths. Camping in nature is so good for your soul. It takes away the stress if you do it right, and it helps you think more clearly. The best way to figure out what works for you is to go out and do it. You're going to make mistakes and forget things, but that's okay. That's how you learn.